So hello guys, this video is for day 21 and 22 of the 30-day challenge that I have taken for myself. And for the last couple of days, I have been in touch with a client from Jaipur, and that client reached me out for managing his Amazon and Etsy and Flipkart account. But the client was a little bit skeptical about the pricing. He wanted to work on percentage model. So I did not wanted to work with that client on percentage model, because when you work on percentage model, what exactly happens is that the client gives you any X percentage of the net sales. For an example, अगर 1 लाख रुपए की सेल हुई है and you have agreed on 2%, that client will give you 2% of 1 lakh rupees, which is 2000 rupees. And if the brand is not well established in the market and it is making very less money, then eventually, even after working for the whole month, you'll not be able to get a good incentive. So I made it clear with that client, even though that client was very pressurizing on the incentive model, but I told him that I cannot work on that particular model. And after that, we made it in a way that 6,000 will be fixed, and top of that I'll get 2% of the net sales that the brand makes. So right now the brand is making somewhere around 2 lakh rupees a month, and I assume that, considering the fact that he has given me 2%, so 2% of 2 lakh would be somewhere around 4,000. So that gives me a rough idea that I'm going to get somewhere around 10k out of this particular client, but there is a high possibility that I'll be able to get even more. So right now I'm considering 10k only for the sake of this particular challenge. Like I told in my last video, I completed 62% of this particular challenge, and getting this client onboarded moved me from 62% to 72%. So there is one specific thing about working with clients, and that is what I have figured out, that instead of getting a lot of clients for a very short amount, let's say for an example, I'm getting a client for 6,000 rupees, it's better to put more effort and put more energy to find clients which can pay me 10,000 or 12,000 for the same services, and I can work and I can provide more value to those clients instead of working with a lot of number of clients. So that is what I have been thinking to do, and that is what I'm doing right now with the clients. But apart from that, there are a lot of sellers, there are a lot of clients who cannot who do not want to give a big amount of money in the very first stage because they have started new. In that case, what I'll be doing is I'll just outsource the work, but I have to decide which clients I want to work with and which clients I personally don't want to work with. So there, I have made this very clear for myself that the client who are paying me a good amount, I'm going to work with those clients, because I have to give my time, my energy, and a lot of efforts to those clients and their brands. And eventually, before giving a lot of time and energy to any specific brand, I have to ensure that I'm getting a good ROI out of that investment of time and efforts. So that is what I'm trying to do, and I believe this particular challenge is going to be completed in the next 7-10 days, and that is the amount of time that I have left. So probably I'm trying my best to cover up the rest 28,000 as well. Yesterday when I was talking, I was left with 38,000, and today I have got one more client for 10k, so I'm going to be left over with 28,000. So that was it about day 21 and 22. I have yet to cover 28,000 rupees more, and I think I can do it in the remaining 8 days. Meanwhile, I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.